Welcome to Simple Science Hub, where science is simple, visual, and fun. Simple Science Hub, start here. Ever wondered what's really happening inside a research lab? From glowing bacteria that help us find cures, to gene editing tools that can rewrite life itself, labs are full of mind-blowing discoveries. This channel takes the big, sometimes confusing world of biology and research, and breaks it into bite-sized animations anyone can enjoy. No overcomplicated textbooks. Just clear explanations, cool visuals, and the science that shapes our world. Here's what you'll see on Simple Science Hub: biology basics, like how cells divide, how your immune system defends you, and what DNA is really made of. Cutting-edge discoveries, like CRISPR, organoid intelligence, and AI robots working in labs. And surprising science facts, the kind you'll want to share with friends. And this isn't just my hub, it's our hub. Drop your science questions in the comments, and I might turn your idea into the next video. Sample comments: how does CRISPR work? Can we build a brain in a dish? If you love learning, hit subscribe and join me every week. Science doesn't have to be complicated, it just has to be explained the right way. Help Simple Science Hub grow, and it means the world to me. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe.